When it comes time to create an access opening, it's important to make a plan before you start cutting holes. Pay attention to how you're making the cut and ask yourself if it's going to look professional. Keep in mind that it takes time to cut and patch the holes, so make as few holes as possible. Be sure that the bit is angled out. It should be doing the work for you, not your force. If you're working with an insulated duct, cut out the insulation to gain access, but don't discard it. You'll need it for the inside of your patch when it comes time to close the access opening. Use a screwdriver or your snips to rub along the inside of the cut you made. This will smooth the area so you can avoid getting cuts or scrapes when you access the inside of the duct. Take note of the gauge of sheet metal you're working with, and make sure to use the same gauge or higher when patching your access opening. Once the patch is properly secured on all sides, you have closed your access opening.